Good evening and welcome to Al Khor. Welcome to the Al Bayt Stadium, the venue for this one. I'm Derek Ray and my commentary partner as always is Stuart Robson. And the group stage action has been pulsating up to this point. This is the final game of the group for these two sets of players. It's the United States against England.
Well, it's vital that you don't have an off day in these group games. Consistency is key to progressing further in the tournament. I'm looking forward to a hard-fought contest here today, Derek.
Brendan Aronson, Robinson, Pulisic, Aronson, Pulisic now, into the advanced position. Well, the danger is still there. Well, it can be a bit of a hit or a miss when you try to catch the ball in that manner.
Well, it's a difficult skill, and on this occasion he can't quite pull it off. Just didn't hit it cleanly enough.
Mount, committed challenge. The referee's letting it go as they keep the ball. And Mount. At times they make passing look easy. They're trying to take their time, but not enough care on the ball.